Hello everybody, today in front of me I have the VIVO Y35, and in this video we would like to demonstrate how you can set up and use the VPN/proxy connection on this device. So to start off, I would like to say that in order to execute our goals, we will need to use the help of the free Play Store app that is called Turbo VPN. So let me just go ahead and get it. In order to download the app, just make sure that your smartphone is connected to the Wi-Fi. You can also use cellular connection as well, but the Wi-Fi is preferable. So once the needed app is found, go ahead and install it. After that, you can just launch it, agree and continue on the terms. Skip the ad, and in order to establish the VPN connection, tap on this little caret icon over here. Once you're ready to turn off the VPN or disconnect, just tap on this little cross sign over here, or you can do that from the notification center as well. Tap on this icon over here, excuse me, and go for the disconnect option. Alrighty, so that would be it. Thanks for watching, and bye bye.